Hey guys, James here, Global Makeup Ambassador for Rimmel. I'm in the villa getting these guys ready for their party tonight. They're all looking amazing. Expect to see top to toe metallic stick-on tattoos, bold lips using our brand new Stay Satin lipstick, and a little surprise for the eyes we're using Wonder Swipe as a liner and into a really glittery eyeshadow. So stay tuned. I'm loving your tattoos on your face. That gold looks amazing. You look gorgeous. And so we're going to finish off with a bit of an eye, I think. So what I'm going to do, actually, I'm going to do a little bit of shadow first of all. Spice palette, bit of gold, maybe a little bit of copper, just blend it in, and then finish with a bit of sparkle.
Brilliant.
Sound good?
Sounds good.
I'm going to keep it neutral. I'm loving what you've got going on with your tattoos. So a nice soft blended eye. It's going to be great.
Amazing.
So I'm just going to finish off with the line of the Wonder Swipe and then blend it in just to give you a little bit of sparkle. Well listen, you look absolutely amazing. Have an incredible night. Good, hope it goes really well.
Thank you so much.
Ellie, the tan is looking amazing.
Thank you.
And tell me about your makeup, like what's your signature look?
So my signature look is I'm all about lashes and glossy lips. So I keep my face and my eyes quite neutral, but I have my curly black lashes and I like gloss on one.
And a good lip.
Yeah.
Perfect. Well, I think we'll stay in that world, maybe add a bit of shimmer to your eyes.
Okay.
Work on those lashes. We've got a brand new mascara, WOW Mascara,
Amazing.
which gives you like a real fan of like winged out lashes.
Amazing.
And with the brush, you can really extend
Oh, that feels
the
nice.
lashes on the corner.
Oh wow.
Really? Oh, can I have a look at the difference before you do the eye?
Yeah, check it out.
Amazing.
And it lifts them, right, as well. Do you really get that really
people
lifted?
think these are going to be fake. I'll be like, they're real.
They're real, man. So to pinch your eyes, I'm going to use Wonder Swipe in Savage. Take it all the way across your lid.
Savage.
Savage.
I like it.
I feel like that with the lashes and the tattoos. I think you're ready for the party. Hey Rosie.
Hi.
So I think with this lip, we can definitely rock a bit of a, like a sultry, like a bit of a smoky eye.
I
Right?
love a smoky eye.
So super easy. Wonder Swipe, it's really, really clever. Like I'm going to mix a couple of shades. It goes on kind of liquidy, but you can just use your fingertips just to smudge it in. And the good thing about this as well, it's complete like 10 hours wear. So no matter how hot it gets,
Amazing.
it's going to stay put. Hey Megan.
Hey.
I'm going to hook you up with a Wonder Swipe eyeliner. I'm going to kind of do a bit of a play on colours though. This is like a real violet, it's called Cool AF. And this purple is insane. And it's good, you know, when you're trying to find, like, you want to try a bright shade. You don't want to put it all over your eye.
Yeah.
Just do a liner, it's so much easier to wear. Thanks, Megan.
Thank you so much.
Laura, the most amazing blue eyes.
Aww.
And we were chatting earlier, I know that you love a bit of an orangey, bronzy eyeline or eyeshadow.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm going to hook you up tonight. I'm going to use the Spice Edition palette. I literally like the best palette ever. Check it out.
Oh my God, it's so nice.
I'm going to start with a bit of that, then I'm going to smoke it in with those softer matte shades. Okay, Laura, I'm just going to blend this through the socket line. A good tip, actually, if you look straight forward for me. I'm just going to work that colour right the way through the socket, and it looks like you're literally ready for the party.
You're making me glam, thank you.
Danny, tell me about this lip. I think it looks amazing on you already.
I love it. I never wear bold colours, but this, I'm feeling it.
So I think when you're rocking a bit of a bold lip, I think a really nice way to accessorise it is like more of a neutral eye, not too pale. So I think, like, especially with your swimsuit, I think we can go a little bit more coppery, a little bit more warm.
Sounds lovely.
Sounds good?
I
Perfect.
trust you.
So I'm going to go into the Spice palette. Check this palette out. Ooh. Amazing. Do you know, like, when you need that perfect summer palette, all of the rich shades all in one?
Oh, I love them. My friends will love that.
Now, really easy underneath, we're going to take a slightly deeper orange shade and just smudge it in. Just a little bit. There you go. Literally Spice palette on the eyes, a little bit of Wonder Swipe across the lids, and you're done. Samira, I know you're a lip girl. I'm loving it.
Yeah, I love a bold lip.
Bolder the better,
I'm
right?
feeling this. I'm
Yeah.
feeling it. It's great.
With your tattoos and your vibe, how
Yeah.
about a bit of a swipe of gold?
Yeah, would love.
I'm going to take it right the way across. So if you did want to wear it as a liner, you can leave it like this, but feel, let me see, Gorge. Amazing. Oh my God, it looks like literally how nice.
Makes your eyes pop, babes.
Oh, look at you.
Oh, look at you. Babes, you look amazing.
Tell me about your tattoos, Georgia. I'm loving them.
Yes, I feel the vibe. I'm covered in love hearts,
feeling the love right now and excited
Top to
for
toe
the
look
party.
Yeah, I need to hook you up with some good eyes though.
Oh yeah, defo.
So what's your style? Tell me about your vibe when it comes to makeup.
My vibe, I quite like my neutrals. I think less is more.
What about these little bad boys? So Wonder Swipe in a champagne, just to give you a shimmer all over. Really neutral, but do you know when it catches the light, it's going to really make your eyes sparkle.
Lovely.
So really easy. Instead of using it as a liner, then I'm going to take it all the way across your lid. So you can kind of sweep it out like a shadow. So Georgie, just to finish off, we're going to take the soft pink shade underneath your eyes. So look right up from your set, babe. Swipe it on, little brush side to side, and literally done.
Love, oh my God. Oh, I love that. Doesn't that look great?
Nice, right?
Yeah, high five. Woo!